Hi guys, I'm Andrea and I am the business owner and photographer at Splash Photography. I have been an entrepreneur and a passionate business owner for 15 years, and I am very passionate about building businesses and helping you create the visual content that you need to make your business soar. I know when I go to a website that one of the first things I do is go to the About page, and I'm looking for a photo of a person or a video of a person, and I'm looking for content that actually helps me understand who the person is that I'm going to be working with and dealing with. And if I'm looking at two different websites and I see one that has content that is relatable and it's showcasing a real person, then I'm much more likely to choose that service over one where I cannot find an actual being on the site. The only thing that's really going to make you stand out from the crowd is when you bring your own authenticity to the service that you're offering. So we could have like 5 real estate agents or 5 photographers, 5 bakeries, whatever it may be, side by side, and they may all offer the same product or the same service. But why is someone going to choose you when they could choose someone else beside you? What makes you different? What sets you apart? And I believe what sets you apart is just the unique individual that you are. I work with my clients, I often feel like we've worked together, but we've become friends. We understand the importance of what we're doing. We can totally relate with each other, and they have fun with their photo shoot. So my goal with doing business photos is that you're not going to walk away with a stiff headshot in front of a multicolored background, but you're going to walk away with images that really are going to showcase your personality. I want to get you laughing. I want to get you making silly expressions. I want to get those moments in between, and I coach you through that. I just like to help them create content that will really up-level their confidence, but also create trust in their customers so that they can better show themselves off authentically and be more relatable to their clients. So if you think that your visual and written content could use a little facelift or a little update, then I would definitely encourage you to reach out to me, and we could chat and discuss how we can showcase you to the world just the way that you want.